Welcome everyone. Unfortunately, I have a feeling there's no music. For some reason, OBS isn't picking it up. Here, desktop audio. So that kind of sucks. Try and add it morning. Manuel, can you have it on Zoom? Okay. So it just must be this for some reason. No music is good today. Thanks. Okay, we'll have no music on YouTube today. So yeah, welcome. Let me just get this ready. Put that there. Get this up and ready. And yeah, we'll see with the score. So I wanted to start a little bit early. Obviously, we want to start, but if I don't have to start, then what's the point? And this morning was a good example of that. We were way too bearish, and there was a little trend line, but the trend line was very steep, I thought. And it got a closure above on one of them. Was it right? 6 o'clock? Yeah, the 6 o'clock one. But can you see it's so steep? So taking that would be silly. Way too steep right now. Okay, we're still very bearish in gold. So there's not really a trend line yet. Mac GJ confusion today. Zones are not clear. Let's take a look. We'll just get started over here, right? Max, look at EJ. Nice top wick and good sell. Take a look. Yeah, EJ looks quite good, eh? Jesus Christ, what's that noise? Yeah, it looks like EJ's coming up now. Might be breaking the high of the previous 15. How much would stuff be for flips there? 9 pips. Not too bad. 30 minutes close solidly below as well. Yeah, I think EJ looks pretty good. Let's look at the 4 hour in case there's anything here. There's 4 hour support right here. It's the only issue. However, that top wick is pretty good. Very nice. Right, we'll go through this over here in a second. So looking like GJ, this daily time frame is already pushed down a lot. Shit, we've already gone down like 50 pips or so, 60 pips. Interesting. So overall bearish, I'd say right now, especially the daily time frame. We are coming towards daily support, which is a little bit annoying for us, unfortunately. The 4 hour time frame is already pushed all the way back down. Yeah, so right now we're at 4 hour support. So taking sells in these areas could be rather hard. Right? Because of the fact we have big support there. Hourly time frame, those close below. But you can see the next supports are right here. There's not enough room. It's only 10 pips to there. The 30 minute, the 15 as well. Yeah, so this next support is probably around right here. At least sells below 16114 would be pretty reasonable. Get rid of all those wicks. All that good stuff. For buys are going to be hard, man. Buys are going to be, yeah, there's going to be no buys today, I don't think. We're very bearish, right? Look how far we've pushed down. Yeah, it's nearly gone 100 pips, so interesting. Are people eyeing up this EJ? Let's take a look. Did you take an Asian trade?
Yeah, I entered at 61.818. 15 minute closed below a support I had. And the 15 minutes made a top wick, and I took it on the flip. And I got 10 pips, but then that motherfucker decided to come up, tap my PE, and that just pushed up.
Oof. That's a shame. So we still haven't broken the high yet. The flip would be nice, and stop loss would be pretty reasonable as well. So I'm probably going to enter this over here because we've got an hourly closure below. It's been a nice top wick at the start. It's hourly. If you do flip, we should fill that wick and continue. So 383 is my level that would be there. Let's still look at the 30 as well. Yeah, the 30 still got to retrace up a little bit more. I think if it came to like 510 stuff, that would be okay as well. Like right up there, that'll give me like an 11 pip stop. So I don't really too mind if it breaks this 15 high. It's mainly the 30 and the hourly later on. I think it's pretty good. So yeah, I'll get this on over here. Yeah, yeah. Last NY session on Friday was pretty good. We got a nice EJ sell. It actually ran fucking loads as well, didn't it? Yeah, we took this sell here. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. So we got it on the flip of the candle after it made a top wick rejecting the highs in the 30. And yeah, it's gorgeous. Nice little trade to end off the week, which is good to see. Let's write this on. So what happened in the Asian markets to push this down then? I'll have to see. Because GJ's pushed down quite heavily. Especially for Asian session. Okay, and then go to 136 would be pretty reasonable as well, I'd say. So we'll see. I'll put my 4-hour lines on, etc., etc. Four-hour daily time frame, looking pretty decent and reasonable. Shit. EJ on the 15 actually didn't break the highs. That's pretty good as well. That's pretty good. I'll record that as well. Beautiful. And yeah, I think GJ below 161, 170 is gonna be pretty nice, to be honest with you. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, it's just a big rejection level though. That's the only issue. If you take a look at EJ, I think EJ in the hourly doesn't look bad at all, really, until 136,200 would be pretty good. For me, this hourly's also closed below this resistance, and now it's just retesting it. So I think it looks pretty good. Looking for GJ sells, gold buys this morning. Oh, gold buys, interesting. Yeah, I think right now it's too early for the gold buys so far. I think. Hey Max, looking forward to this week? Yeah, boy. I'll go through gold in a second once we finish this EJ and watch it. And yeah. 1802 looks good for the daily highs. And then we've also been pretty bearish as well, man. It's been a lot of bearish trades. Let's take a look at EJ. $136 would be TP2. So 15's got 4 minutes left. We came back and tapped the Asian high. Sorry, the Asian lows, rejected off it. Let's take a look at the 30 and the hourlies. Yeah. Looks pretty good. If it gets too close to the 15, then I may wait for the closure. Just like 2 minutes. Then maybe. Hourly on the left, not so nice. It's alright though. I mean, the good thing I like about it is that's closed below it. That's all I really wanted it to do. Close below. So it should fill it up. Even though the zone's not nice, it's a big zone. It's a big zone. So look at the 5-minute time frame. The 5-minute doesn't look too nice, to be honest with you, and it's getting a little bit too close to the 15. So I'm probably going to wait now for this 15 to close. Because I know the next candle is going to make a top wick, and if this candle closes strongly like this, then I don't want it on, right? So I've deleted this for the meantime. We'll wait a little bit longer. Good thing is that it's based on the 30-minute and the hourly, so there's loads of time for it. Euro bank holiday, let's take a look. So French and Italian bank holiday, yes. French and Italian bank holiday all day. Let's take a look if any more news. German news came out 7 AM. And apart from that, there's actually not too much, apart from the Empire State Manufacturing. So that maybe actually might put you off EJ, right? Because there's not enough volume. Yeah. Maybe. This on. So yeah, I still think that EJ is a good opportunity, but if this closes bullish like this, and if it's above the Asian range, then it may not be the best opportunity, especially if there's a holiday, right? So Goldie, let's just take a look at Goldie. Goldie rejected the highs pretty hard at 1802, and we're pushing back down. So rejected them. The end of last week we were at the highs as well, so. Interesting. This daily is pushing down. Take a look at the hourly time frame. I'll get rid of all these trend lines in a second. So the hourly's just broken the low of the previous already. Okay. Which is looking good, to be honest. And I think, to be honest with you, if you take a look at this 30-minute time frame, yeah, we've got a little bit of minor support here at 1791, but sells below would be nice to 1785. To look at the 15 as well. Yeah, it's 15 support. So it's just tapping into it now. Sells below maybe at London Open would be quite nice to then fill it to 1785. That'd be rather nice. Write this on. So maybe when this 30-minute closes could be pretty good. Let's write this on. Settles below 1791.8. Check out clean that 4 hour down to 159,600. We could have got a monster drop to start the week. I know, man. Did it happen through Asian? No. 1 second. Happened through Asian, unfortunately. Let's take a look at where we would have got in if there's any trades. So, right at Asian, this is the support. Closure below there. Yeah, stop loss above would be 12 pips. Beautiful. So you would have got the whole thing because this one would have wicked you out, but you would have got 16 pips, yeah. Very nice. And now it's clearly reacted off that big 4 hour support. I'm not taking sells until we're below this level here. Hell no. How's everyone in the school? Hello, Mr. Bry. You have a nice weekend? Yeah, man, it was good. It was good. Very nice. Very happy with it. Oh, yeah, man. This GG. This at this level is gonna be tough. Yeah, I mean, look at that on the daily. Yeah. 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 Stops a little beefy. 30 minutes breaking the high of the previous. Max, if you're awake and see something in the Asian session, would you take it? Probably not, because I don't know how it moves. I haven't backtested it enough. How's the weather? The weather on the weekend was disgraceful. Absolutely disgraceful. It should be against the law to be that hot in this room. It's fucking painful. But this morning doesn't feel too bad, which I'm happy with. I think there's some clouds. But I am counting down the days for it to be fucking minus, well, 2 degrees when I wake up, not gonna lie. So it's rejected the lows, the 15 closed bullish, engulfing the previous. It just stops a little bit wild, yeah. So EJ's now broken the high, the previous 15, and the 15 closed bullish. Gotta wait maybe a little bit more. Okay, I left and came back. How are my gold buys? Not doing too well, I don't think, if you're in gold buys. Way too bearish, man. I was up this morning at like 5:45, and I was checking the charts, and I was like, this is too bearish to even look at taking a taking a trend line buy. There's no point. It's too bearish. There's absolutely nothing with this. It's 7 degrees Celsius here in South Africa, ice cold. Oh, 7 degrees? That sounds bliss. Sounds fucking amazing. Sounds everything I'd ever want. What do you think about this EJ, Mr. Bry? The hourly looks good. For me, this is the res. Sells. On the 30-minute flip, hourly flip. Yeah. 15, yeah, exactly. And then it's also a bank holiday, so the 5s are starting to slow down. Which makes sense. Yeah. Yeah, boy. It's GJ pushing up. Wow. So, yeah, I mean, straight as well. Straight away at 12 o'clock we pushed. Okay, they look fine to me. Let's see how that goes. Your team lost 4-0 against Brentford. I don't support United. Oh my god. United supporters in here are fucking dying. He's got their ass beat by Brentford. Oh. Man, you got fucking shafted. They're at the bottom of the table. My fantasy league, I'm top of my group. I'm well happy with that. Look at that, United. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, that's not a vibe. City was still dominating. Arsenal as well did well. Yeah, United were painful to watch. Not good at all. Not good at all. Yeah, man. I think this morning, I think the charts are a little bit hard to, because we've had such a big move. It's kind of hard to see the direction. This for me, this price action on GJ here is awful as well. Goldie is just launched down. Actually, it just took his time, to be honest, but it's finally hit a big level of support. The thing is, this daily time frame closed bullish above. It could be just making a low wick, but it has pushed down 100 pips, so it's quite a big low wick. Yeah, let's take a look at what the weekly look like. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, 1782 could be quite nice. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Managers of Chelsea and Spurs had red cards. Did you see the handshake? Yeah. Oh, yes. So, yeah, we'll see. Looking like this GJ struggling anyway, Bri. Yeah, it's a tough situation actually this morning. We may have a quite a quiet session today. Morning, Joey boy. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. I have to sort out my computer because yeah, the desktop audio isn't getting pics. That's a bit weird. Oh, Chinese lung disease. God. Anyone else not be able to hear the Zoom peeps? Oh shit, yeah, you won't be able to hear the Zoom people either. Basically, the desktop audio thing's not working. Look, it's just not here anymore. So let's just see if I can add another one. Can I get rid or can I make a new one? Oh, let's see. Sources. Desktop audio not connected. Connect now. Can you hear now? Nope. What about this one? There we go. Then you guys can hear it now. 1 second. If I put that on. I think you guys can hear that. I think you guys can now. I hear Max sounds great, no worries. Wicked. Wicked, wicked.
Like buys on gold.
Huh?
I think I like buys on gold.
My only issue is absolutely nothing with me. Apart from like a 15 close. 7 minutes. Do you not think this trend line's a bit too steep?
Well, I have 2 at the moment.
Yeah, there's one from there to...
So if I see that, and then I have a minor resistance support at 93.86. So if I have a closure above that,
Yeah, I see that one. That's above Asian. I like that, yeah. 93.86 would be a little nicer. Let's take a look at this one. Well, I quite like that one more. It's not as steep. Yeah, we'll see. That needs to hear for the sake of that, fuck's sake, right? EJ Turtle Suit back in the range. The 30 closes, maybe. The only issue is the hourly, yeah. And this is where it could tap and reject, you see?
Yeah.
So this could be... The flip now actually wouldn't be that bad. I'm still really looking for these sells, to be honest. We'll see how this 30 closes. Everyone else thinking buys gold? I think people are eyeing it up, but I still think it's way too bearish right now. And I know that this zone below here is pretty chill. If we get a closure below here in the next 6 minutes or so, this zone's pretty nice. So we'll see. There's nothing. I think the issue, the thing for me and what I'm doing is, you know, if it's not obvious where it is, then it's too hard for me. So I'm just gonna back off. Yeah. Can you explain the turtle soup? Yeah, it's basically when a pair, so like for example, we'll just go like EJ right now. So an EJ breaks below the Asian lows, swoops the Asian lows, closes back above, and then launches. For both buys and sells. So in the buy example, it would be breaking above the Asian highs, rejecting, and then continuing down. Yeah. Oh yeah. Just look at the 30. Yeah, it's a big level of support this area as well. So got to be a little bit cautious. I think this morning it's not really the cleanest areas. GJ looks like garbage. So yeah, today we'll do GJ sim. We'll just start a GJ month off. Oh yes. We could do a one close towards today, or we could do one further away. I don't really mind. Further away, you'll start to see nice stop losses, whereas if you do one closer, you'll get bigger stops, which you'll find better entries. That's what we could do. If the trend line breaks, everything I'm buying for gold, very nice. Yeah, I'll see when it gets to the time, but I do want it a little bit higher above. Flipping the 4 hour would be perfect. Yeah, that EJ trade was solid, man. Oh.
Yeah, it was good.
It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, we took 3 trades in EJ last week. 1 20 pip, one. I mean, fucking. I took like 20, 30 pips, and then a -3. It's beautiful. EJ was rather nice. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see the score. Let's just take a look at the news and see if there's anything in it. So I was asking about GU. Yeah, we'll take a look at GU as well. Japan PM orders crafting of inflation relief packages. That may move it a little bit. Curb the fuel prices. Yeah, there's quite a lot of news in Japan last night. Let's take a look at GU as well. GU. Yeah, it's right at the 4-hour support. The hourly's made a top wick. 30-minute time frames retraced. Wow. The 15's pushing down. How big are your stops on this flip? Oh, 11 pips, I mean, not bad. I think that looks pretty reasonable. Flips that hourly. Is Sashin in the building this morning? I know, is he hanging out his ass as usual? I can't do that, go on a night out and then do this in the morning now. I give up. I don't know how I did it for so long. I can't do it anymore. Never again. Never again. Oh, Sashin's here. He's in the YouTube chat. Sweaty Balls took GJ 161425. What, for a sell? A sell off, eh? So what you got to think here is, right, stop loss is going to be 18 pips, your TP is going to be like 11, 10. It's kind of a small zone, man. If the zone's too small, it ain't going to be the best. Takes me 2 days to recover. So GU's breaking the low, flipping. So you do something like this. The only thing is, now look, you've got 20 seconds left for this closure. Let's take a look at the 15. Maybe you'd next want to wait 18 seconds for this closure, maybe. The hourly looks good though, man. Clean candle to fill this wick. 5 minutes already rejected. I think a lot of people will be in this over here if you took a little GU. So there, your stop losses, as I said, above here. You continue to that wick. There's a little OB here. Kind of pushed off, so that's probably where we want to go break even. So we're up like 6-7 pips. Looks pretty good. No top wick in the 30 yet, that's a bit annoying. Yeah, looking like the volume isn't the biggest right now. It isn't the biggest, I'd say. And as we said, yeah, let's take a look at news this whole week actually. Let's take a look, right? So tomorrow, our GBP news is 7 o'clock. Unemployment rates, claimant count change is going to be interesting. What else? CAD news, USD news. Wednesday looks interesting. Some USD news, but not the biggest. There's FOMC meeting. It's 7 o'clock. That's going to be annoying for that day. And Thursday and Friday are okay, actually. So it's not too bad, actually, this week. Before I go on holiday. Check EJ. So yeah, 30 minutes closed. My only issue that's going to put me off this trade is that it's bank holiday now. It's bank holiday. There's not enough volume, I don't think. It looks great though, man. If this was before and I didn't know it was bank holiday, I'd still be going for this, to be honest. Because the 30 minutes closed weak, rejected the highs. It breaks this low, should continue down with stop loss above. Stop loss is 13.6 pips. For me though, there's just not enough volume. Not enough volume, boy. So we'll see if it plays out. It's just a thing though, if there's a bank holiday and you take a losing trade, you know why, and it's like, the trade was still nice, but what if you just lost it because there's not enough volume? That's my only issue. But the 5 minutes, you know, they look pretty strong there, so should be okay. G looking like it's struggling. You going to a hot? Yeah, I'm going to Bulgaria. So Bulgaria would be hot. Oh yes, Bulgaria. So that'd be nice seeing the boys as well. Going with the boys. Have you tried UJ with your methods? Yeah, I think UJ is just a little slow again. Check gold. Look at gold max. Yeah, it's just at support. The price action, the 5 minute looks garbage. Yeah, it's just chilling, man. It's just moved a lot though, right? So have to give it a break. Give it a little break. EJ broke the lows yet? Yes, it's looking good now. Let's see if this can push. Push. Where would the targets be? Well, filling that wick for sure would be break even, and then maybe to continue further. It just does have enough momentum, that's all. Does it have enough momentum? Yeah, man. Bri, where else are you looking for GJ then, right? Where are you looking for GJ? Would you agree with me on 161, 150, like below these levels?
161, 150. Yeah, so I've got a zone at 161, 127.
Yep.
Which I think came from the 1H. So it's a little further down. But that will also be taking out the Asian range from like the 5th of August. Because I also find if previous Asian ranges haven't been taken out, they will go still. They're still like they're still open. You know what I mean?
Yeah, for sure.
So yeah, so that 15 didn't close bullish, but yeah, I think continuation sells will be going. We haven't got any other pattern. I've got a channel on the 15 from the highs to the lows. But then again, it meets up with the previous daily low, and it's on that support. So yeah, we can still go up from here. It's just if we get that big enough closure with a volume, but GJ's volume is never on time. So we just need to wait for a decent candle here now. Can't play in this. That there's no actual direction yet. We've only got strong support and previous daily low. That's the only thing we've got.
That's literally it. Yeah. Tough month. How do you stay composed when you're having a tough month? You know, I think it's when you get to this point and you've done it for so long. You know, there's no way to feel negative about it, right? If I felt negative about it and got annoyed with it in the past 2-3 years I've been doing this, you know, then I'd struggle. I got to this point because I don't get upset about those things, right? Last week was a great example of me just keep my discipline. Yeah, I took some, you know, I think some of the gold trades we've gone through as a group, and you know, some of them were quite hard just because of the zones they were in. But I kept my cool. Look, I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses in a row. Okay, it's a lot. But if you look at the managing and how I managed them, beautiful. I'm very, very happy for them. And all I needed was 2 nice, beautiful trades, and then there you go. I've pretty much covered the whole losses here. Okay. I also took that gold one as well, which ran 25 pips. So I actually had a break-even week last week. So even though it looks harsh, it's just because of the trades and how many there were. But that was -3, and the gold ones here were obviously half risk and they were managed nicely. So yeah, I think You just gotta keep it cool, man. Nothing's gonna, like, you being upset or annoyed about it is not gonna help you in the slightest of it. You just gotta learn from your mistakes, and I learned my mistakes. Know that I got in maybe too aggressively on the gold ones, especially when the 5 minutes bad price action, and then you just gotta leave it alone. Okay, and you know, through the weekend I'm not there crying, you know, oh no, all this kind of stuff. I just look back, see what I've done wrong, and then next when it happens again, I know exactly what to do. And you just learn from it. It's great. The good thing about trading is you can always learn from your mistakes. You never just take it and go, oh yeah, like I just took this L. It's like, nah, you can learn from the mistakes. You learn from your mistakes. Hey Max, would you please explain the meaning of discipline in trading? What type of structure does it contain? Work time. Discipline, just be disciplined with your strategy. Don't like sway away from doing different things. Discipline for taking your losses. Don't take like fucking 15 trades after like 2 losses. All those kind of things, man. Discipline of not over risking on certain entries because you're annoyed that you want to make your money back. Like all those things. So I'm watching EJ on my left hand side. You can see it's struggling, right? Why is it struggling? Well, I just think there's not enough volume. So the paradox of discipline is if you have it, you don't need it. Yeah, boy. So the 30-minute on Goldie still didn't really close above. It's breaking the lows though now, so it may start to drive here. The hourly's pushing down as well. But we'll see. I kind of want the next 30 to close. The 15 and the 5 here look dangerously boring and a little bit slow, so that's okay. It's what you get, And also, you know, remember Asians push down a lot, so you kind of expect that London session's maybe a little bit slower today, but it's fine. Get the discipline to get up and see if there's any entries. All you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. Oh shit, that's there. I forgot about that. 1 second. Oh. So yeah, on Thursday I'm going back home, so I'll be streaming on my Mac. We'll see how that goes. Oh shit. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. It looks like it's pretty good though. I think it's all set up, and I've got my iPad as a second screen, which is sick. It works so well as well. There's no lag in that, which is pretty cool. Just plug this in a second. Are you in a trade? Nope. We're still waiting patiently. Still waiting patiently for something, right? But for me here, there's nothing here. So you just gotta sit back and just wait for things to come to you. If they don't, then that's fine. Your journal is similar to Domvo. Yeah, he gave it to me. Well, I just got the link from it. Yeah, boy. I can't multitask. The problem is that this part of the world, when it's London open, NY open, it's peak time, so I'm at work and I usually fuck all my trades because I can't manage any advice. Yeah, you can't take the trades if you're at work, man. You just can't do it. EJ hit break even. Ah, Stevie boy. Good option. I just think for me, it's a bank holiday and the 5 minutes showed that. Yeah, you can't take the trades and work. Just look outside of work and then maybe get better maybe through Asian, man. And then when the difference happens, you know, and you can start to trade a little bit more, then you can maybe take some time off. Like, you know, instead of going from like 5 days a week, go to 4 days and you've got 1 day. I don't know. It's a hard one, man. And GU could not continue either. So how do we break even at 5? Yeah, there's not enough volume yet. It seems to be quite slow. It's 20 minutes until 8 o'clock. We'll see how the volume kicks in there. We'll see the score. Sir Gold will be up today. Very nice. I hope so. I hope so. But right now, there is absolutely zero confirmation that it's going up, right? So it's kind of you get just guessing, right? Which you shouldn't be doing here, right? You gotta have some good confirmation. Where have you seen this bank holiday, Max? Here. Forex Factory. French bank holiday, Italian bank holiday. Italiano. Italiano. Who's in the chat today? Let's take a look. Is Vincent still away? Is Vincent still vibing in the woods?
Yeah.
Goes to little expeditions. I bet he's like a Bear Grylls-esque. I bet he's like making fires and shit, eating like insects. Actually, there'd be fuck all insects where he lives. In Antarctic, there's no insects there. It's too cold.
No, believe me, it's quite warm in Sweden at the moment, Max.
Really?
Yeah.
Even where he lives at the top?
Yeah, he lives all the way at the top. My mother lives all the way in the middle.
Wow.
And she tells me almost every day when I talk to her, Monel, this is fucking Portugal at the moment. Because they have 35, 37, 40 degrees. At this time of the year, it's madness.
That's mad.
Yeah.
A madness. Max, why do you say gold going up idea is guessing? What? No, I'm saying people are saying gold is a buy, and there's no confirmation yet that's a buy. So what I try and tell people is, instead of guessing what things are going to go to, wait until they happen and then you know. So we know, like, you know, I know Manuel's, you know, wanting buys above 1793.8 would be quite nice. So when it comes to there, then he can look for buys. But just saying that's going to be a buy now, normally what it does to you in your brain is trying to get you into entries here, trying to get in really, really low. It's like, well, you don't know yet, because if this support breaks, then you're pretty fucked. Okay? So instead of guessing like if things are going to go up, just wait for things to happen, closures, confirmations, and then it makes life much easier. GBP 4 hour looks clean. Below, would you say? I don't think this bit here looks clean. This bit looks horrendous. Why? Because wicks everywhere. It's rejected like 15 billion times. My buys began already and will continue down to 1790. Not sure what all this confirmation stuff is about. I do this every day, every market day. Okay, amazing. Lovely to hear, my man. I'm just saying my opinions on it. So yeah, EJ is really struggling now. Look at the 5 minute. Yeah, there's not enough volume. Not enough volume. Was it early GJ move? If you were watching, not a sale for you. Chart in Discord. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at a chart today. Oh Jesus Christ! Let's leave that guy. A bit of risky early sell on GJ. Okay, so you got in, it looks like the celery on the 30. Closed below support. Caution since massive 4 hour support here as well. 6 AM 30-minute candle closed bullish, but without bottom wick. 1 hour had bottom wick, no bottom wick yet, and it usually makes one little more confirmation for sell. Entered once it made the top wick and break the previous candle low. Was also current 4 hours flip. Stop loss 13 pips, TP1 at 10 pips. Beautiful. Very nice. I like it. Celery play. The closure below, gorgeous. Yeah. TP2 is 16 pips, next support on the left, GQ 10% here. Beautiful, man. Well done. Well done. I think that was class. Yeah, celery play worked out nicely, eh? At 6:30. Beautiful. Wow, man, gold is really not doing anything. Look at these 5-minute candles. Look at the 5-minute candles there. Doge, doge,
Yeah,
doge,
gold
doge, doge.
Gold is really respecting 91.72.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. It's just a big. The issue you have is on the daily. That is a big retracement. I think like coming to there was okay, like 1794, because that's the resistance there. But now we're pushing further into this zone. Not too sure, especially that 4-hour close bearish but low strong.
Yeah.
We'll have to wait. GJ's pushing up. Ooh, look at the 5. 5 is pushing.
Not entry yet from that double bottom.
You what?
You gotta wait for a close now after that double bottom run.
Yeah.
Because then it's active.
Yep. The shame the price action on the left is garbage. On the 15s, man. The res is right there. That's the only issue. It's a stuffy area. I don't like it at all, really. I'm gonna close my runner. Let's take a look. Trader Mickey. Okay, so 5-minute time frame below, break below the 5-minute trend line. Asian lows. Price comes up. Retest on the trend line. You took equals a sell. Okay, you took a sell after it retested the trend line, and it closed. Very nice. 13 pip stop above the previous lower high.
I also had that trend line. I didn't
Yeah.
take it though.
That was nice. Because what you did was you waited for this to wick to the trend line and not close above. It then rejected it. You got in on the closure. Closed 80% at 10 pips. Beautiful, man. Very, very nice. I think your runner might be alright. If it can break that level, then you'd be good. That's the only thing, right? If this could break... Oh, shit. Like these lows here, you should be good for it to continue. It's just, is it going to do that? That's all. That's the only issue. Just get my 5-minute gold trend, GJ trend line on the left. Has EJ got a double bottom as well? Yep. But there's no volume. Because the bank holiday. Max, what do you think about the people that only buy GJ? Wait, what? What do you mean the people that only buy GJ? What, do they don't sell it?
Yeah, you get people like on NASDAQ that only buy NASDAQ.
Really?
Only sell. Yeah, you get only buyers or only sellers. They wait for their setups.
That makes sense.
So you'll get people that will just buy certain currencies as well. They'll just wait for their buyers.
GJ investors.
You almost got to that point as well, that you hate buying GJ, right?
Yeah,
so
I love selling
you
it.
like selling, right? So then you make that choice.
Yeah. That makes sense. Yeah, selling GJ is bloody gorgeous. Very gorgeous. Oh, look at the 5 here. Yeah, it's still nothing, man. Yeah, this is going to be a hard session, I think, guys. There's not much going for us.
Yeah, it's slow.
Yeah, it's slow, but even if it was slow, like it might pick up 8. But the only issue is the zones are just painful. Like the GJ one here is, I'm not going to take trades here, unfortunately. The 4-hour wicks are hard for the sells.
No way.
Yeah, and the buys. It's just, if you just take a look, like your targets are going to be like there, and that's quite short distances. Yeah, man, no much movement. Yeah, exactly. I'm not looking at GJ. Yeah, but the issue is that none of the other ones are actually even that good, to be honest. GU's just faked out. Just a little bit painful today. Gold, as I've said numerous, people keep asking for goals. I'm really thinking of buys. Yeah, I mean, you know, it's holding 1792, right? But I do need more than just a 5-minute break. I need to see if this 30 close bullish, then the hourly is still negative. The 4 hours so bearish. I just don't want to start my week off taking such a counter trade with nothing with me. Especially with this trend line steep as hell as well. And the price action on the 5s don't look too nice, so we'll see. But watch Manuel, I'll take it.
Yeah, I'm eyeing it. I'm eyeing this. I have
Yeah.
2 trend lines. One is broken, closed above it on the 5 minutes. And the
Mhm.
next one, if it closes above this, I might take a cheeky entry.
Wait, one's
low
closed
risk,
already? What the fuck? How tight is your...
goes all the way to the top, and the first touch on it is at 93.69. And then have a break of it, but close below at 92.73. And now this previous candle closed above at 92.11.
Yeah, that's way too steep for me.
Yeah, it is steep.
Steep ass line.
But if you want now you have a trend. If you want a change of trend, you have to keep on going with it.
Mm,
And now
that's
you
true.
have the, and now as it is Monday, that's why I'm gonna only take a half risk. It's Monday. It's pretty good beginning of the week. Now as I look at, it's a low wick on the weekly, and a low wick on the daily.
Yeah.
So
I get that.
and you see the 5-minute candles are starting to getting smaller and
Yeah.
changing direction.
For sure. For sure. Oh, GJ looks disgusting. I'm gonna fill up my drink. How's the rig looking? Let's take a look. Oh, it's still here, like, oh, still looking riggy. Still looking riggy.
A lot of water retention there. Oh, hey.
Oh. Okay, so 4 minutes left. Taking it. I'm really thinking of buys. I think everyone's getting a little bit jumpy over here. They're like, I'm really thinking of something. I'm like, bro, what the fuck is this? There's nothing here. Let's take a look at this 5 now. If this 30-minute closes below and makes a top wick, I'm gonna take a sell in this zone. This zone's beautiful.
Yeah, it is. Clean.
Yeah. I do not understand some of these trend lines. If it only touched respected once, how can it be a trend line? Yeah, you have to. It has to touch 2 or 3 times, man. 3 the best, but 2 is the minimum. Just buy gold aggressive buys, and if it goes down, buy more, and if it goes any higher, put another buy stop. My God. Oh God. The issue you have with this is that if this doesn't work and your stop's like there, it's gonna get hit pretty quickly because this zone's clean. That's the only issue you have if you goes tits up and you try dragging your stop.
Was that Charlie talking? How to empty your account?
Yeah. Back in the building. Yeah. So looking like it's rejecting again. Look at them 15-minute candles though. Ugh, disgusting.
I was looking at GJ on the 30. Now that we've got solid support for a 30 closure.
Yeah.
Because then it's a 30-minute support. You know what I mean? And then the hourly support will be closed as well. So we've got to see what the hourly closes, how strong the hourly closes.
Yeah, I would like to close above 420 there. To close above that a little
Yeah,
bit.
makes sense. Yeah, I can see it.
But does that not just like this zone for me is just ass? Even if we did get a 30 closure, like look at the wicks everywhere, the price action's garbage.
Yeah, I get it. The thing is, like, I can snap a trade in there. You know what I mean?
Yeah, for
So
sure.
I fully get what you 100%. It's shit. 100%.
It's a tiny zone. Oh, right, I'm gonna eye up these gold cells like. Everyone who says gold buys in the chat, be careful. Be careful.
That's the worst thing any trader could do, though, is call out a trade. You know what I mean? Or I'm buying this or buying that, because it doesn't work that way. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh yes.
Especially price action trading. You could change in a dime.
Buy gold if your balls are freezing. Stop loss above the previous hourly would be 16 pips. That's not bad at all. Yeah, we'll see. The issue that I have is I don't think this is going to make a top wick. I think this is just going to continue. So we'll see. We'll see in this closure. See you later, honey. Bye. Love you. Every fucking day. TPs as well would be 1789.5 and 1785. Okay, so breaking the lows already, unfortunately. Yeah, this is gonna go.
GJ.
He said the stream has froze. Oh, I think it's back now. I think you should be alright now, guys. We back. We back, boy. Let's take a look at this 4 hour then. Yeah, it should come to at least 1790.495. Beautiful. Looks good. Ah, it's a shame I didn't get my entry, man. A bit too late. God, even that 5 minute looks tough. Even the 5 minute looks tough. Yeah, just refresh it and you're back. You'll be back in business, boy. You'll be back in business. So flipping back up, still look at the hourly time frame. Yeah, it's still got to make a top work really. 30s are quite small. That's the only issue with the cells as well. You can see that these 30s are getting smaller and smaller. So I think that would have been break even if I got on the low. You want the push. If I don't give you the push, you get out, boy. Especially 8 o'clock open. Bum, bum, bum. Yeah, especially at that open. Today looks like let's try not to blow our account day, literally. People jumping in, especially on a Monday when people are so excited to get back and they want to try their new thing and they're trying it and say, oh, this is not a good day to do that, brother. It's not a good day for that. It's a pretty appalling day for that, in fact.
Gold is really messing with people as well.
Yeah, struggling.
Yeah, it came all the way down and then come all the way up again.
Both directions, yeah. Oh, yes. Treacherous Mondays. Yeah, boy. So yeah, we'll see. Come on, 5-minute push down, boy. The way this is pushing though now, I don't think I want to entertain this, to be honest. Even on the rebreak of the lows, there's just not enough volume. This morning, not enough volume. So yeah, we'll wait a little longer. 50 likes, guys. Make sure to like the stream if you guys have been disciplined, waiting for the nice setups. Right now, there is nothing. Descending channel. Oh, I mean, that should have been the push, right? And it's rejected it pretty hard, so we'll have to see. I think the zone's still good, man. I think the zone's still good to continue, but the way it's moved there, oof. Have to wait. We'll have to wait. Wait a little longer. Okay, so it's coming back down. Take a look at the 5 minutes, re-breaking the low. This should be the push now. I think I'm just a bit put off with the volume, but let's just see if this pushes now. So you're getting on the break at the 5-minute lows, stop loss above the... How much would it be now for previous? 15 pips. It's not bad. I think the way it's pushed there for me, after that 8 o'clock, it should really drive, and if it doesn't, then it could have a little bit of trouble over here. So we'll see. What are the attractions in Bulgaria? Drinking £1 pints. £1 pints. €1 pints, then I'll say.
Drinking giraffes with the straw.
Yeah. There we go, getting a push now. Beautiful. So re-break of the low. So still would have worked out on the entry, just it was not the chillest. Not the chillest entries. We're at daily zone and gold, few pips away only. Let's take a look. Yeah, 1789.5. Yeah, it's a good option. Would you have got 10 pips if you held the break of the low? Nope, not yet. Not yet. Are you in max? Nope, I stayed out of it. Just gonna wait a little longer. GJ, oh, GJ. What are you doing? So there we go. Goldie's breaking the low even more. Should drive over here. And there we go, man. So just always remember, it's all nice to saying that gold is a buy, but if there's no candles coming towards showing that gold is a buy, it ain't a fucking buy.
Nope.
Okay? That's what I was trying to explain to that guy before, but he didn't like criticism, so. There we go. We got 10 pips. Beautiful. Very good. Very nice. Trend is my friend. Exactly. Closed gold at -5. Ah, Tommy boy. Just give it the time. Is it when it came back into drawdown after the break of the low? So yeah, beautiful, man. Opportunity. I said that the stop was pretty reasonable as well. But for me, the way it was moving in terms of the 5s and etc., it just didn't seem to have enough volume. So, but I finally got the nice push, and you'll be up now 14 pips, trying to continue back to the lows of 1785. And that's the trade. Beautiful. And yeah. Got my 10 pips in gold, thanks Max. No bother, no bother. No bother, no bother. So if you got in the re-break of those lows there, yeah, you would have got your 10 pips now. So obviously you go break even now. Now, what you got to do is you got to think, is your runner going to continue? Right, is your runner going to continue? Well, it looks pretty good for the space. It's clean. You've got 8 o'clock volume, which is also nice. You've got to think now, is it going to retrace back up to here? I think you might be okay. Because it's been ranging there so hard, now I've got the direction. I think it could be okay. There's a little untested there, but I think it could be quite nice to continue further for the runners. Yeah. Oh yeah. Still eyeing anything up, Mr. Bry?
Nah, it just looks bad, man.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. 2.6 spread on Goldie right now. Ooh. Beautiful. Especially after rebroke that 5-minute low there, you were good. You were like 13, 14 pips in that low there. Nice. Buys will kick in any moment. I did say if it gets a closure below here, it's going to look good for the sells, man. It's going to look good for the sells. And that's what we got, right? 30-minute closure. For me, the entry was a little bit harsh. Just broke the low straight away. But I did kind of expect that because the 5 minutes just been ranging so long that I didn't need really a top wick. Then it went down 5 pips or so. Let's take a look. So now I only went down 4 pips. You should probably still hold it. The stop loss above the previous hourly was only 15, so you should give it a little bit of hope on that hourly, especially where the hourly is. If you take a look at where your stop is, it's right next to this res here. So it's actually pretty good. It seems like we reject the date at the daily zone for now. Yeah, so we're coming to the daily support. Well, yeah, I always say, when it comes to support, it's going to struggle, but that does not mean take a fucking buy there, please. Okay? You need to have more than just, oh, there's a big support there. Okay, there's not one candle on any time frame that's closed bullish, apart from maybe a minute candle. Yeah. But I also know if the buys start coming above, if we start closing back above, probably the flip 1794 area, then I'm going to look for buys to continue bullish. Because we'll be flipping the higher time frame, we've got clean, really candles to the Asian highs, which would be nice. And that's all she wrote. EJ 1 hour celery. The EJ has not enough volume, man. It's bank holiday on the French and the Italian countries, so nah, I'm gonna leave out of it, unfortunately. And GJ is just not doing much. But this is the whole point, right? The good thing that you can do and start to see when you get good at this is when to trade and when not to trade. And right now it isn't, especially on GJ here. You got to be cautious. But I always say, imagine trading as a business. For most businesses, you've got to wait quite a long time to see why it's not working, like why you're losing money. Whereas here, it's plain and easy why you're losing money here. Maybe because the zone's bad. So then you just leave the zone alone. There you go. You've just saved a bunch of money and you're making your profit margins bigger. It's always little things you can do. And this one for me here is just bad price action. Yeah. We should took that Goldie, man. That Goldie was good. Just happened a little bit too quick. Why you not sell gold? Because I couldn't get my entry. I wanted to get in on the break of the low. I broke the low in the first 30 billion milliseconds. Right here. Price came back up. I did want to get back on the break of the lows. However, the stop losses in the hourly was getting a little bit too big then. But it was an option, and I told you guys if you want to take it, go for it. I know some people would have taken that. Okay. Facts, yeah, man, exactly. So there we go, breaking the lows again. Take a look at the 5 minute. We're pushing down. It's made the top wick, so it's looking good now. We may actually break this daily support, come further down. The zone's big enough, clean enough, nicer enough. So yeah. Bloody gorgeous, eh? Gorgeous. So there we go, TP2 would be here, which is on my signal. Right here. Because that is where resistance is. And that is where we could have some next trouble. Some next trouble. And then yeah, 1785 would be nice later on. And there you go. So, as I always say, right? Look for where zones are cleanest, right? I didn't want to play in this area. Because this area was choppy and a pain in the ass. So the zone was not nice. But I knew if you just wait a little bit further below, this is going to be a clean zone. Okay, so always look for the clean areas. Because price moves quickly there. You don't have to worry about it and sit in drawdown for like 15 hours. You just get a nice push. And it pretty much mirrored these candles here. Okay. EJ's coming back up to the 4-hour flip. Holding this 4-hour support, can you see? It's holding it pretty well. So going towards 20 pips on this. It'll be hitting, which is good. Good to see. So again, like really, really good words here, like about the daily and stuff. See, if you just bought there, you'd have just lost again. Just try not to think of what things are going to happen until they start happening. Okay, be second to the party, don't be first. No one cares if you take a sniper little, you know, a sniper one. You know, just chill out. Runner doing damage, very nice. What we like to see. 4.5 pip spread on gold. Oh, what the fuck? Yeah, you need to change brokers, my man. My gold is 0.9. It's fixed. Yeah, boy. Go towards 30 pips now. This. Very good. Very nice. So if people want to know what this setup was, I know we didn't get our entry, but I know some people would have taken it, so it's good to go through. Closure below. Second. Okay, so closure below. Yeah. This is the candle closure below. That's the confirmation candle. The next one's the entry candle, and that's on the enter on. Bob's your uncle. Ah, Tommy boy. Emotional damage. I wish I could just call it for. I just wish I could have just called it for people. For fuck's sake. Nice, Dean. Good lad. I didn't have time to even because I was looking when the when this rebroke that low there, but I couldn't have made the signal for it, man. It's annoying. It's already pushing pretty hard. Okay, GJ's rejecting pretty hard over here. Coming back down to this 4-hour support. As I said, I'm not touching this 4-hour support. No way, Jose. I'm just gonna wait further below. Max got a third touch on a gold trend line now. Oh. Wait, what? Sells? Oh wow, yeah. Yeah, so big enough? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it looks good. To continue down. Very nice. It's on the 30-minute though. Yeah. I don't know how the 30-minute trend lines work, but I'm assuming probably pretty good. Come on, GJ, get past the support, boy. We gotta move. Because I'm not playing with it. Hell no, I ain't playing with that. Oh, gee, you finally did it at London Open. Was that 8 o'clock top wick? Oh, did it do it straight away? Yep. That was pretty good. That was pretty nice. Nice Monday W, well done. All who took that, Brian, you quiet. Did you get that?
Nah, is it?
I unfortunately did get it, but I didn't want to call you guys out. I got on the break at the 5-minute low here, but I couldn't call it and take it, so I had to pick one of them, and I picked myself. That initial entry, I had literally the telegram ready, all that good stuff. Missed it by a fucking second, and then obviously came back up. I was like, right, if it breaks that low, gotta put it on, boy. Gold wick fill 30 minutes should be good. Oh, right, for this one? Yeah. Good boy. Manuel, did you take the cells?
Nope. I was busy rolling one, so I was watching my hands. Yeah.
So look at that. This candle's closed now. Can you see that I've pretty much mirrored this? That's what you're wanting. Especially 8 o'clock open. Especially 8 o'clock open. Very nice. So TP1 was there. That little mine support. TP2 was there. And TP3 is probably down there, 58. And that's how you trade Goldie at London Open. Pretty nice. Yeah, is anyone else looking at anything else? I know it's a bit boring today, guys, for people. They're still patiently waiting. There's nothing that's really catching everyone's eye, I don't think. GJ's looking tough, man. Look at that 5-minute now. Oh. Check USD card, okay. USD card at a London session. Let's see how this moves. I swear if it's moved more than GJ, oh my god, it has. Wait, how big is this? OG Fatboy Slim still holding onto them buys. What? Have you got gold buys? Oh no. Oh no, no, no. OG Fatboy Slim, you fucked up.
That is some big back cojones. Jesus.
Yep. Hourly closure above at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Sorry, 8 o'clock. Sorry, nice low wick break at the high. Stop loss above the previous 30 was pretty small. Very nice. Lord Champion Pips has a trend line on gold. Tell ya. Everyone's eyeing it up. So this hopefully should continue down. I've only got tiny little runners in the small account over here, but it's nice. Yeah. We'll see how far I can come down to 1785. I have gold buys, can hold all day, no worries. Oh, nice. I got 20 pips on GU cells after I made that top wick. Sasha, did you get this one, Sash? No. Look at the 5-minute. Yeah, it kind of came out of nowhere. It was just one 5-minute candle. It's kind of sucks.
Are you in a gold trade there?
Yeah, I got in on the break of the low. I said before.
I didn't trigger it. I wasn't looking at it.
I told everyone, to be fair. Re-breaks that low, it's good. No, I'm just telling for people who are maybe just on the ball. You got to be a little bit on the ball there, because I could just call it there, but then if I put the, I mean, I should really, man. I should just put you guys first in the Zoom, to be honest. I should just say I'm getting in.
Jeez, it's taking you a year to figure that out. Okay.
The issue is that I get a bunch of fucking gimps on Telegram going, why didn't you call that in the chat? Why didn't you call that? Oh, fuck off. I can't be arsed with shit. I'd rather just take it myself and be in peace, cunts. You know what I mean? Max, why didn't you write the signal and post it? Because it's fucking... I had about 0.0 milliseconds to put that bitch on myself. Never mind yours. You're gonna miss it anyway. You know what I mean? Like, they are generally gonna miss it. If they're not in the Zoom, they're gonna miss that trade, even if I post it. So what's the fucking point? So yeah, right. Okay, from now on, I'm just gonna fucking say it. And if they're not here, then that's their fucking fault. Let me just get my file on, because I'm starting to smell my sweaty balls already. Fuck's sake. Man, I might have to take these pants off, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna take them off. They're too fucking hot. Free the nips. I've really fucked my arm as well. I've really done something bad to it. It's just, it needs a good massage. I need to go and get like a sports massage.
You don't need to tell us why the arm's bugging, boy.
Oh man, it's painful. Let me just get some deodorant on as well. I'm really in the buff now.
Interesting question.
Naked Chinese trader. Fuck's sake. Hi Maxi, good morning, good morning, good morning. Oh, look at EJ, what the fuck? I have to reflip that 4 hour. The volume's coming in over here. Is GJ pushing as well? If you're going on the reflip there, stop loss above. Oh, that's a 12 pip stop. That wasn't that bad. I made the low wick first as well, didn't it? Yeah. So seeing that it's a bank holiday, man. That was actually pretty good. Because the 15 actually also closed on it, on the previous support as well, so that's pretty nice. And the Ace Adventures. Do you stream every day or only Monday? I stream every single day. Yeah, every single day. And that GU is pretty good. Taps my support pretty nicely. Oh shit, my 4 hour should be there. Daily should be there. And you know what I've done over the weekend? I have realized I'm not going to say any foul language towards GJ anymore. I'm gonna bless him with my blessings. The second I say some foul language, I'll miss a nice GJ trade. So I'm giving it all it needs. But right now I ain't playing it in this area. If you guys want any advice from me, it's don't play when there's 4 hour support. Don't take sells in them areas. Are you a profitable trader? Yep, take a look at my live streams. I've been doing them since July last year. You can work them all out, and now we've got a full chart of all the trades taken. And this month's been very, very hard for the first, well, that one or 2 days. But now, if you think about it, I know I didn't call the last two, but I took also a gold one there, which went 25 pips. That's probably, yeah, it's probably 1% gain, and then that gold one there just around like 25-30 pips. That's another 1%. So it's good shit. Yeah, man, GJ's choked. Have a nice day, Max. See you tomorrow. See you later. See you later. And then just the chase you cost. Nah. From now on, I actually will tell you fuckwits because it's not fair.
We're the fuckwits.
No, the people that fucking tell me off in Telegram are like fuckwits. I tell you that. Literally, I even told you guys we took like an EJ one. I couldn't call it. I was like, I bet you in the next hour or two, I'm gonna have some fucking messages, and they're probably telling us off. I'm like, will you fuck off? I actually go to them, watch your email, and then I kick them out straight away. Can't be asked anymore. These fucking lazy cunts. I literally did as well. I was like, what's your email? He goes, oh, there you go. I go. He goes, why? I go, because you're getting booted, mate. I don't need your money. Fuck off. I'm doing it to help people. You ain't fucking helping yourself, so fuck off.
What do you need my email for? I'm just opening the door for you, mate. See ya.
Those are signal resellers. That is why they get so emotional. Interesting. That's interesting. Could be, eh? But it was. I was like, I don't need your money. You're pissing me off. You're not helping yourself. You're not doing any sort of work to yourself. I'd rather help the guys that actually putting in effort, the guys and girls that are putting in effort, than these fuckwits just for an extra £50 a month. I couldn't care less.
I never actually thought about it for the signal resellers, eh? Because that's quite a business.
Yeah.
I never thought of it like that.
Yeah. Did you hear off Charlie? Nah, he's nothing. But it is yeah, I think I might do something like Monty. I might try and do that. I might try and put like a little 5-minute call talking to each people that want to join, because I just don't want people that I just like. I get a message and they go, "Hi Max, can you?" I got told off because he wanted me to every single signal that I took do this, like reply like this. So reply to it, because he apparently has a bot that's running and it does it for him. I'm like, but that's not what it's for. I want to show you the trades. I want to show you why I'm taking them. You can take them as well. But I'm trying to make you, do this as a full time. You're not going to do that if you're just copying someone. You're not going to learn it yourself. That's shit. That's not what I started this for. So I'm kind of just like, nah, fuck off. I can't be arsed with you. So I might have to do a little, it's not what Monty did to filter out the retards, basically. Yeah. Because if you put the effort in, and you can see who puts effort in and who doesn't. It's like, oh man, and I'm getting all the hate from the fucking people that put zero effort in. I'm like, oh, well, you fuck off. Bless him. Bless him. So yeah, going on a holiday, that'll be interesting. So guys, write your dates. The 22nd of August, beautiful for some trades. It's gonna be amazing. I was gonna bring my laptop, but I'm not risking taking my fucking Mac to Bulgaria. Like, absolutely no way.
Why not? That's the whole reason why you bought it.
Not Bulgaria though. Maybe I go to Dubai or fucking somewhere nice, not fucking Bulgaria. Oh, some of the lads posted. Look at this. Look at this bar in Bulgaria. Brexit bar. It's called a fucking Brexit bar. What the fuck? What the fuck?
That's classic.
For the EDL members and shit. What the fuck? Brexit means Brexit. Fucking Brexit bar. Oh my god. Oh god, look at the staff. Oh, they do look like a bunch of fucking Brexiters as well. Fucking... Oh god. They're all
I
fucking...
bet you they got MacBooks. I bet you they got MacBooks.
Yeah, man, fuck. Yeah, I gotta check out this strip actually. Might do that tonight. See what I'm actually working with over here. I just know that it's dirt cheap. Like a pint is at I think it's €1 a pint. That's the next level.
That's cheap.
Yeah. It's gonna be interesting, man. The group that we went to Zante with the same group, and it's just fun, man. It's a good dynamic. But I'm not gonna try and get hungover as shit the whole time. God, that looks rough as fuck. Definitely the MacBook Air. Shitholes always the best laugh. Yeah, they are. Thing is, this holiday we don't have that many like proper retards. Like when we went to Zante, we had some guy and he was just such a melon. His dad specifically told him not to buy a quad bike. Like don't like all you can do anything you want, just don't buy a fucking quad bike because if you smash it, you have to pay loads of money and you could hurt yourself. First day he buys a fucking quad bike. And then the second day he falls off the fucker, breaks everything in his body pretty much. He's all fucked. He's got a massive bill and he shagged the fucking the quad bike, motorbike thing. It's like, oh my god, like literally rang up his dad. Dad, I fell on off. I've hurt myself. He goes, oh, how did you hurt yourself? Quad bike. His dad just fucking put the phone down. Fucking retard. Yeah. Mad. So yeah, 8:30, still nothing much yet, but it's just Asian, man. Asian had a big move, so it's okay. Hopefully NY will be a little bit better. Referendum. Brexit Bulgaria. Wow. Let's take a look at this, right? Sunny beach. I haven't even looked at any pictures. Oh, it's like a proper beach. Oh, fuck yeah. Yeah, just say sunny beach, Ace. It's probably what's gonna look like nightlife. Let's take a look. Oh my god, where am I going? I don't think I'm up for this anymore. I'm 22. I'm not 17 like before. Oh no, no, no. Oh, I've got rides. Oh, Bri, I was watching the football on a link, and it was a South Africa TV. It was well funny. The South Africa TVs. They were proper going for it. Exact same accent as you fuckers. It's great. To the lakes. Oh, nice. Anyway, I was talking about before, Joe, before you joined. Oh no, no, no. Naughty, naughty. What does your girlfriend say about it? My girlfriend is chill about it. She's not one of them girls, and I wouldn't be with a girl who does that shit. Who gets pissed off and going on a lad's holiday. You fucking joking me? When you're with someone, they're meant to compliment, not hinder. If she wants to go Ibiza for fucking 10 days, I couldn't give less of a fuck. I wanted to have a great time. Don't have that toxic relationship, man. It's not good shit. It never lasts. Oh, wait, look at my... while we're bored, Richard, here, look at my Premier League fantasy. Oh, mate. Thing is, though, I actually don't know how to play, really. I need, like, switching stuff because one of my players is injured. Let's take a look at my where the fuck fantasy, my league. How the fuck do I look at my team? Right there. So this is my team from last week. Coutinho's injured though, and Sancho. I'm taking Sancho off. He's gonna get no fucking goals now. He ain't gonna get the ball. Looks like it. But yeah, look at this. Number 1, rank 1 in my league. Fuck yeah! 143 points. Look at that beautiful team. Haaland captain. I need to be able to... Yeah, I'm going to swip out a couple. What's this though? Does anyone tell me how to do this? Triple captain or bench boost? Do I thought I already had that on him. I don't think I do now. Oh, I think they're already just put on. Yeah, that'd be good. Where's Maguire in your team? He's fucking... Maguire's not going anywhere near my team. Yeah, I know, Joe. Well, I had him at the start because, like, Sancho, he normally does a little bit of things. I think he's all right. He's just in a shit team. How well rated are the Bulgarian amusement park safety standards? Yeah, that's true. That is true. I do like amusement parks. Like I want to go to like. I've been to like Universal Studios and stuff, but I was too young. I was too scared, man. I didn't go on any of them. Now I'll go in every single one, mate. Oh. Yeah, I'll go in every single one now. So GJ in the space of like fucking an hour and a half just hasn't really done anything yet. Are you eyeing this 5-minute closure above, Mr. Bry?
I'll see the 50.
The 30 closing, like, yeah. That's got a while. Hourly looking good now. It's rejected.
That shit.
But yeah, it's that's what I think you have to get. I think a lot of people here will realize, like, you gotta get out of the movement of just like, oh, it's closed now, let's take it, and not realizing what's just been doing the past hour. It's been fucking around. So is it really gonna change out of that when the price action's still bad? Probably not. And if it does, are you really gonna be upset that you've missed it? I wouldn't be. The zone's too crap. Liverpool, Joey boy, they're not gonna win shit. I'm sorry. Haaland's gonna grab them by the arse. Even at that friendly game at the start, man, they're just warming up. Just warming up. Kevin De Bruyne's goal as well this weekend. Oh my god, he's so good. Oh, Alessandro, I think he's on stream. I think he took them gold cells as well. Well done for listening, man. Good shit. So did Samantha actually as well. Well done. A lot of people took them. Very nice. Pay to wait. Gold respecting the 30-minute bias trend line. I know, but what I learned in the whole trend line thing is, if you have nothing other than a trendline break and you've got everything else is still bearish, there's absolutely no way to take them. You've got to have at least like 30 closure bullish. Maybe the 4 hours about to flip soon. Like, this is way too bearish. Way too bearish. Way too bearish. Didn't Don say something? Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. I know, but it closed bullish, didn't it? Yeah, it closed bullish. I still think we're still very, very bullish in gold, and I really do think if we flip this daily candle at 1802, we're going to continue bullish. So the buys are going to happen. Maybe not today. I don't think today are going to happen. I think we're too bearish today. I think we may just fuck around here. But I do think in the next couple of days, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we'll start to push again. We'll start to push again. Look at that 5-minute, didn't even close above. Oof. EJ was the one, man. The 15. Just a shame. I thought there was gonna be no volume, boy. Happy Independence Day for Pakistan people. Oh yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I know jack all about that, but I think I saw it on the news last night. Very nice. Is it from them breaking off India? Is it when they were independent from India? I think it is, maybe. I need to learn more knowledge of that, man. I'm so bad at it. Do you know that quiz night that I went to? I think I posted on my story. I did jack all the whole time, apart from the maths questions. I just don't know anything. It's so bad. Tommy boy. Look at Tom re-entering on the 5. Nice. How the fuck did you get that? Actually, look at the fire.
He had a 1 minute OB.
Higher up?
Yeah, where it rejected at the top.
Yeah.
FX.
Did you get in the gold trade? Yeah, I got in the break the lows here. Yeah. From now on, I'm just gonna because I've spoken about it before, but it's because of the signal people, and some people are getting annoyed because I'll take the trades and they haven't entered yet, and because I can't write the signal and stuff. But it's each their own. If they can't come, they can't get it. That's not my fault. I shouldn't put other people who've put in time and effort to come on to miss them. So I'm just gonna suck them up every time they message me anymore. I'll have a bot just going, "What's your email?" But a really good lesson was the clean candles, man. When you've got clean candles, it's a beautiful area to take trades in. Can you see? Clean, 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 clean. So when we get a closure below, you get a confirmation, and then this is the zone that you want to take trades in. That's what you've got to do. GU's closed bearish. No bottom wick really in this one. So it doesn't have much room to fill. Yeah, GJ. It's going to be interesting. I'm just going to watch GJ see the score. See what I can do over here. Are you going to watch GU on a daily basis? Watch it, yeah. I think it's still nice to watch it. Just go through the motions on a different one. India should stop celebrating Independence Day since no one in India is actually independent. I don't know anything about India, like, at all. The only things I know about India is that they've got a high population, they've got quite a clever population in terms of their schools, very, very clever. They all speak very, very good English as well for the most part. But I don't know anything about their history. I know that maybe the guy who's running it is maybe a little bit of a dictator, is it? I don't know. I'm garbage. I wish I did history at school. But unfortunately, the retards that tried to bribe you at year 9 to do it taught me Tudors, which is the most boring thing I could ever think of. It was so boring. So I decided to take ICT and business instead. Business, piece of shit. If you want to do business at school, if you want an easy thing to pass, do it. But for the most part, it's fucking common sense. And most of the retards who took most of the teachers who actually taught business in school never actually have their own business, so just waffle. Bri, what did you do at school? I'm very intrigued. What were you good at school at?
What is that?
What did you do at school?
What is that?
What do you mean, what is that? Do you not have school over there? He did robbing, thieving, shanking.
I was like say standard 9, what grade? What's it, grade 11 and 12?
Mm-hmm.
I was mostly on the golf course, mate.
Really?
Yeah. Our headmaster used to go and fetch us on the golf course.
That's great.
So why are you in private schools, boy? You pay to pass, you know what I mean?
Oh my god.
No, I'm kidding.
How the fuck?
We did like technical drawing and computers and stuff like that.
Yeah. Computers. My school is run down like, oh. It was the most underfunded school in the Northeast. It's fucking shit. But it was a good school because everyone there wasn't like, you didn't really get many of like the deprived areas because obviously it's in Darras, so I think that's why the council were like, well, no, they're doing well, so why should we make their school better? It's like, well, because the fucking holes are leaking of water and it literally stinks of like asbestos. So what? Yeah, I think that happens everywhere though. Like, so all of the money from like a place like that goes to like this. So like Kenton had a massive, beautiful school, but apparently their grades are still shit. It's like, yeah, because it isn't the school, it isn't the funding of the school. It's just the people, like, their background and stuff. They just don't care. So it's kind of just. No matter how much money you pump into a school, if the people who are attending it aren't right in the head because of what experiences they had, they ain't gonna fucking do well. So 30 is going to close in 12 minutes. So it'll also be the hourly closure, closing strongly bullish. And looks like Goldie may come to 1785 over here. Engineering was quite easy. I did that instead of business. Really? I know engineering at uni is hard work. Everyone that does engineering that I knew at uni were grafting their asses off. Loads of work. If I had to go back and do uni again, what would I do? I'd still probably do massive finance. Yeah. Even though the maths was particularly boring. The only good thing about it was no essays, and I hated essays, so that's why I pretty much took maths as well. No voice? What Moses? USD CAD is on something. I don't know what the hell's moved it like. Both of them are closed, so something interesting's happened. Maybe with the news, there must be some news. Because it shouldn't really be running like that, unless there's some supply coming in US dollar stock. Oh, this could be it. Something to do with Goldman Sachs talking about a recession still. Sam DC is from India. Yeah, DC trading. Is he streaming today? DC, is he still trading today? No, he's not. He hasn't been streaming for a while. I've been trying to see him. He hasn't been streaming for a while. Mr. T.
Ja, det är så man så.
Ja.
Man måste ha ett stort
Is that Brian speaking Afrikaans?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, my mic's on. My bad. Sorry, man.
No, I was listening to your accent. Afrikaans.
My girlfriend is at home today. Wife's at work. The guy, she's laughing.
Fuck's sake. Coming towards TP3. Very nice. Still look at the 4-hour time frame now. Yeah, I mean, no, this is where things start to get a little bit stuffy. I'm probably just going to close full here now, to be honest. There's no point extra 10 pips for nothing, really. When they could reject here. So I'm just going to close full there. Nice. Yeah. That's Brian's mum. He still lives at home.
Cat's out the bag now, boys.
I love that. Tom always does that, man. Tom will like take a little shitty L, man. He's hunting for it back. Easy, that 5 minute. Boom! Is that the 15 top wick as well? Yeah, I think it was. The top wick as well. So we'll see with GJ over here. 15 is going to close in 7 minutes time. Hourly is going to close as well in 7 minutes time. Projected off that 4-hour support, it's okay. We'll see if it's got a little bit of zone to continue bullish. My issue is that I think the zone's just too chopped for me. Too chalked. take a look who else is in this morning. I tell you what, the weather doesn't feel that bad. I'm not gonna lie. Doesn't feel that bad. I'm feeling a little bit breezy. Thank God for that. So yeah, I mean, prime example today, guys. Some people are saying go buys here. Just be a little bit cautious what's below you, and if you do get below there, you're gonna be slapped pretty hard. You gotta wait for a little bit more confirmation. Just because it's that support doesn't mean it's gonna hold it, especially when the 4 hour was that bearish and the daily was that bearish. Okay, so just be a little bit careful with that. Weather feels good because you're in a birthday suit. Hey, Joe, did you take that? Oh, no top wick. Is that why I didn't get in? That's a shame. So 5 minute broken the high. Goldie should, GJ should be okay now if it closes in 5 minutes time as well. Have you found a little entry yet, Brian? Not yet. Still waiting for this zone.
Previous 15 stops, man.
Yeah.
We'll see what the new 15 does.
Yeah.
Maybe a bit of a wick, but I mean 20 pips on the previous. Wow.
Yeah. Agreed. It's wild. It's a shame, Joey boy, but it looks like it went nicely after. Yeah, those hourly stops there were good, man. 16 pips. Fuck. Pretty reasonable. What are your rules for taking counter trend trades? Sorry, what was that?
No, carry on.
Someone just says, what are your rules for taking counter trend trades? You have to have something with you. I mean, either a big rejection on the support. You've got to have nice, strong, bullish closures. In this example, if you're looking for buys, which it looks like it may get. You know, I think it might be all right. But yeah, you're gonna have nice low wicks. You can't just get in, you know, straight away like the rejection. So if this closes, makes a nice low wick, could be okay. For me here, this zone is still ass though. To be honest, it's still a little bit choppy. Hourly resistance is right there at 670. The minute candles are printing upwards. This is good. Did you buy with 161,700? Yeah, I think that'll be a little bit easier. Yeah. How does it look like on the 30 and the hourly? Yeah, I think that's probably the most reasonable, to be honest. Let's see. That could be good. All pissing not being in gold trade, just watch stream 8:07 London time on top of the stream. Yeah. I think it was a good option, man, the gold one. Just didn't really have much time to call it out. Going off TK squads, yeah, see you later Scarlet. Yeah, nothing much today I don't think, apart from that Goldie was good. GJ still could be alright in this sec if we get a closure above 686 to come and retest 880. The zone's big enough. 20 pips, so that's okay. And the 4 hours pretty clean up there. Can you see that this moves quickly there? So this area is quickly moving, which is good. Which is good. Nice strong closure here. 2 minutes time, maybe. And if not, we'll wait a little bit longer. But it is 9 o'clock now. We'll see the score. You can get a closure above. It may happen later on. We'll see. Yeah, so 161, 850, 840 would be pretty nice. And then a 161, well, 162 flat would be the nice at the end. Yeah, it is all about the stops. The stop loss. Yeah, it's 19 pips. The zone's big enough, I suppose. 19 pips to the highs. It's alright. But it's, you know, it's a big stop. You got a fan on or something? Yeah, can you hear it? Can you hear a little bit of... I don't think it's that bad though. I've got it on the lowest setting. We may start the simulation at 10 if this looks good later on, because I don't really want to miss this. We'll see. So, hourly closing, bullish, not really above the res though, which is a little bit annoying. Still bearish overall, really. The 4 hours pushed up from the support, which is good to see. We'll see. Hey, quiet morning on a Monday, but it's all good, man. It's good, to be honest with you. I like having like a Monday that's chill, because it kind of makes you like relax a little bit. Don't jump into some random trades that you know the zone's a little bit shit. It's best to just wait. Sell GG. Brian ain't looking for the cells, I'll tell you that. Brian is not occupying the cells right now, I tell you that. Selling into this area is going to be a pain, no matter what, so. Let's take a look and see if there's any more charts, actually. No other charts. Oh, that's an EJ 5-minute trend line. Interesting. That looked a little bit choppy there, though. Closed below as well. Oof. So Owlie's going to make a bottom wick. A bottom wick. Anyone looking, getting on the flip? 5 minutes just broken the low. The resistance is it big enough? Oh, it's only 6 pips away.
You've got your zone at 161,684, right?
Yep.
I've got mine at 161,755.
Mhm.
I think due to the 1H. The 1H spreads quite widely left over a zone. I've checked price there quite a lot. Also 30 minutes. You'll see it on the 30.
And it's 750 as well, Bri.
Yeah.
Oh, here, so, there. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So I just need mine higher than that. You know what I mean?
Yeah. For sure. I got GJ by 17 plus 17 pips, closed full. Nice. Well done. Very nice. EJ would have been good on the 15 flip soup. What here? Yeah, I know, man. The only issue was his bank holiday in French. I just didn't think I had enough volume. 5 minute looked awful as well, so It's a salary play on the 5. Yeah. Yeah, I think later on the buys are going to be good, but I still think, it's still very bearish. It may fuck around this area for a while like it did over here. That's the only cause of concern. Oh, to sell down now? It didn't really close above and then fake out. It's just in a range for me. This is just resistance is here, support is there. It didn't like come above, then reject, then close bearish back in the zone to fill the zone. So it's not really closure back in the zone. It's just a range for me, I think. And there we go. Coming all the way back down. I got GJ sells an Asian 50 pips. Oh, on the daily flip here. Very nice. To look at the 30 as well. Did you just impulse it on the daily flip, or did you wait for a closure? I think that closure there was pretty good. Are we considering the idea of gold bleeding out even further? I think this is a very, very big level of support. If it breaks below 1784, then it, not 1784, 1783.89, then you may find some more push. But the issue you have is that overall we're still very bullish, right? If you look at the weekly closed bullish. This is just making the lower wick. I don't think it's going to retrace that far. See the daily? Look where the daily's coming into now. This daily zone. So it'll be interesting. I mean, if it does break it, damn, it may continue further for sure. But you got to wait for the closures below. You gotta wait for the closures below. So I saw Dr. Dollar got in over here. He got in like there. I don't think he's closed yet. So now it's back at his entry. Hourly lower wick is gonna be a bit of a pain. I said the chart hold up. Nice, very nice. We'll take a look at that. This hourly's made the lower wick now. And the buys above 680 gonna be nice. 690. Oh, Tommy boy. On the flip. 10 pip stop. Took the 5. Worked out nicely. For me here, this is just pushing it. I think the zone's a little bit shit. I got in GJ that 1 hour flip for turtle soup. 1 hour flip. Oh, here? Yeah, it was nice in the 1 hour. It's a shame that the other time frames look garbage, but yeah, on the 1 hour look good. Especially what you can. Yeah, I think what you really should have done here. Sorry, what we should have thought about here. If this looked a bit nicer, I still wouldn't have taken it because it's so bad. You see, 8 o'clock pushed down, came and tapped, rejected again. Normally, if 8 o'clock wants to push, it should push there. Now it hasn't, and now you get a closure above on the 15. It was good. The only issue is the stops were too small, too big. 20 pips. 20 pips on a Monday is just oof. When watching first soup, do you also take into consideration the trend before the Asian range or not at all? For sure, yeah. The issue why this one was quite good for the soup is that you are right at the 4 hour support. Can you see? So it made sense. If this was all free and there was no zone, then I wouldn't be looking at the buys because it's it's clean and it should push down, especially how bearish we are. But because we're on this support and it's rejected it 15 billion times, it's a bit better. And that's why the soup worked. Let's take a look. Hourly break of the lows. Beautiful. Continue to 161 200. When was this? Asian? Yeah, I think this was Asian. Very nice. Hourly closure below, because look what it did. It closed below this support here. And then you've got clean wick to fill and the support there. Beautiful. Oh, that's the daily? Oh shit, it's a daily, yeah. Same thing, right? Beautiful. And stop was 30 pips. Nice. So GJ's coming down over here. Oh, I hope Dr. Dollar doesn't get slapped over here. Breaks the 15 lows. Ain't looking good, bruv. You got 10 pips on GJ? Stevie boy, go for it. Was it based on the 5? I don't think that was it. Bry, have you got? Because he said this is the textbook Bry. I can't.
I can see it on the 5.
I can. Yeah.
It's the same as what Tom took, right? So it's that strong resistance,
Yeah.
and then the 5-minute gave the bearish engulfing, and obviously the top wick. So yeah, I would definitely.
Beautiful. The
For
only,
a 5-minute trade, 100%.
I think if it looked a little bit nicer than it is, because the only issue you have there is that this lower wick here is just the hourly lower wick after a bullish closure. So
Yeah.
you've got to be in and out
But it's
quick.
the same. It's the same as Tom's EJ. It's that resistance.
Yeah. But Tom's EJ had a 15 bearish as well.
Fair.
And it already came to the highs and rejected, whereas GJ hasn't really, I don't think. I think it's got 686 has still got it. With a 30. Yeah, that was pretty close. I'm not taking it, but gold sells and the flip look good. Yeah. I think you've missed. I think that's the move, man. I always say, man, if you want to get into gold, you got to, you know that was the entry. If you've missed that entry, then here now scraping it, especially when you're at these levels here. Look how many times it wicks up and down. Ah, just painful. And you don't want to be taking a losing gold sell when everyone else took the sell up there. That's the only thing. Well done, Stevie boy. That's where TP would have been, at that body. Can you see? Support. That's where he would have taken some positions off at 429. Exactly, Stevie. You went for it. Good stuff. Very, very proud of you with that. Nice. Even though it's funny and all stuff like going, oh, like Brian, like I think you're gonna get in here, but what you're doing is just trying to train your eye to people how they enter, what they're trying to see, and for the overall, if Brian just calls them all out and stuff, you probably wouldn't learn it as much as you would now when he kind of like hints out after you start to like look for it yourself, and then obviously it's you actually doing the trade, not Brian, and then you feel confident about it because you did it yourself, and it's class. That GA just bagged me 13%, so I'm probably going to be done for NY. Oh, very nice. Very nice indeed. So it's 9:15 now. Going towards 9:15. We're not gonna get a closure here. It's just in this zone. Goldie should potentially continue, but I don't think the sells. You sell gold, you burn. Yeah, man. I sold gold here, and I gained 40 pips, unfortunately. And the buys didn't play out. Stevie boy, on holiday, bro. I'll take the holiday off, bro. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it off over here, guys. I think we're gonna have to wait a little bit later on for GJ to sort itself out. But buys above 680, 750, those areas are gonna be looking good. Or sells below 161, 160 down in them areas. But I'm wanting a solid closure because this is a very, very big rejection zone. But if we do get a solid closure, we are gonna move nicely because this is clean below. Okay, so very, very simple. Stick to your strategy, stick to your trades. Oh, Stevie, no full risk, bro. That's why. So that's why it's hurt you a lot more than others, I think. No full risk yet, boy. But yeah, so thank you so much for coming on, guys, and I'll see you guys later, man. Peace out. Thank you so much for the Zoom. We'll start sim at probably 9:45. I'll say 9:45. We have half
Just
an
gonna
hour.
let the girlfriend out before the wife comes out.
Alright, see you later, squad. Peace out, man.
See you guys later.
See you later, guys. Bye bye. Peace
Bye-bye.
out. See you later. See you later. Oh shit. See you later, squad. Thank you so much. Thank you, YouTube, for coming on. If you guys do want to join us, NY session and the simulations and the webinars and all this stuff for like not even £2 a day, it's pretty worth it, right? If you want that extra help and a great group to do it with, man. So yeah, thank you so much for coming on, and I'll see you guys later. There's a link to join the mentorship. We've had a lot of people joining over the weekend, and we'll see you guys later on, man. Peace out. See you later, squad. See you later, alligator.